is the Earth at a time when the dinosaurs roamed a lush and fertile planet. A piece of rock just 6 miles wide changed all that. It hit with the force of 10,000 nuclear weapons. 1 trillion tons of dirt and rock hurtled into the atmosphere, creating a suffocating blanket of dust the sun was powerless to penetrate for 1,000 years. It happened before. It will happen again. It's just a question of when.
Engineering director. Say again, ready?
Houston, affirmative. I'm gonna try again.
This time, why don't we put in hold at 9, cancel the pending resume?
Almost got it.
Adjust system when pressure.
Atlantis, I'm almost there.
Houston, Pete's looking real strong.
Okay, Pete. We got that coupling on the board here now. We'll give you the go-ahead from down here when it's in alignment.
Sounds good. Give me 10 seconds.
His heart rate's racing. Hey, Pete, it's Truman.
Hey,
How you doing up there, Hoss?
pretty good.
Now listen, Pete, we got an eye on your meds here. I give you a buffalo nickel if you'll calm down just a little bit. Can you do that for me?
Whatever you say.
Okay, now we got plenty of time, buddy, so don't you worry.
So that is
Hey, I'm looking good here.
Go ahead, Atlantis.
Roger that, Houston. Suggest we start reeling Pete in.
copy. Keep the slide entry. Ready for grip up.
What the hell is that? My lord.